TokenTap Tutorials, Adding Rewards. In this tutorial we will add a new custom in-house reward, a Token Academy t-shirt for 50 tokens. Then we will review most of the optional settings for in-house rewards. If you already have a large digital list of rewards, take advantage of TokenTap's free import service. Let's get started in the rewards area. Bring the in-house rewards tab to the front if it's not already there. Click the Add Reward button in the top right corner of the In-house Rewards tab. The new reward page appears. The only required information is the reward name. Enter the amount of tokens required to purchase it. Left empty, the item will be free for students. Optionally enter the item's description. If you have more than 10 distinct rewards, categorize them for a more organized appearance in the shop. If the category desired hasn't been created yet, simply enter the new category's name. After clicking Save, the new rewards profile page is loaded. The status of a reward is very similar to students and goals. Click the Help tip to learn more about a reward status. Under the optional settings is where a reward can be set to be raffled. To limit the quantity available. To limit total purchases for an individual student. Or to set a date when the reward is removed from the online shop. Choose one of the default images that best fits the reward. Or upload a custom image by clicking the plus sign button to the right. Click the Get File button or drag your custom image from your system into TokenTap. The name of the image defaults to the imported file's name. Adjust it if necessary. If the image can only be used for the current reward, do not share the image. Once everything looks correct, click the Import and Apply button to set the image for the current reward. Select which administrators are to be alerted when the item is purchased by a student in the online shop so the administrator knows to deliver the reward and mark as delivered on the student's ledger. Let's go to the Rewards Eligibility tab. Public rewards are visible and purchasable by all students. Rewards with limited eligibility are visible only to the selected students or classes of students. The History tab shows the transaction history of the reward, listing who made the purchase, the quantity purchased, the date and time purchase was made, and a button to mark the reward as delivered. And finally, on the Miscellaneous tab, there are some important details about the rewards data record. There is a button to make a copy of the reward with no transaction history, which is useful for restarting completed raffles. And there is a button to delete the reward. The button disables after a transaction for the reward has occurred, and the reward should be inactivated instead of deleted. Thank you for watching the Adding Rewards tutorial.